Habit formation. How your brain builds habits and how to change them. Have you ever wondered why some habits feel automatic? Why you check your phone without thinking? Why brushing your teeth feels effortless? And why bad habits are so hard to break? The answer lies in habit formation, a powerful psychological process inside your brain. In this video, we'll explain habit formation in a simple, human, and practical way, so you can understand how habits are formed, why they stick, and how you can build good habits and break bad ones. What is a habit? A habit is a behavior your brain has learned to repeat automatically. Once a habit is formed, your brain doesn't need to think, it just acts. Psychologically, habits exist to save mental energy. The brain loves efficiency, so it turns repeated actions into automatic patterns. This is why habits feel easy and why changing them feels difficult. Why the brain loves habits. Your brain uses a lot of energy every day. To protect itself from overload, it creates shortcuts. These shortcuts are habits. Habits help the brain save energy, reduce decision-making, increase efficiency. The problem is, the brain doesn't care if a habit is good or bad, only if it's repeated. The habit loop. Psychologists explain habits using a simple loop. Cue, routine, reward. Cue, a trigger that starts the habit, stress, time, place. Routine, the behavior itself. Reward, the feeling or benefit your brain gets. Example: cue, feeling bored. Routine, scrolling social media. Reward, temporary pleasure or distraction. Repeat this loop enough times and the habit becomes automatic. What part of the brain controls habits? Habits are controlled by a part of the brain called the basal ganglia. This area stores routine behaviors. When a habit is strong, the thinking part of the brain becomes less active. The behavior runs on autopilot. That's why habits can feel hard to stop, even when you know they're harmful. Why bad habits are hard to break. Bad habits usually give instant rewards. Your brain loves quick pleasure. Dopamine is released immediately. Good habits often give delayed rewards. Psychologically, the brain prefers short-term pleasure over long-term benefit, comfort over effort. This is why discipline alone often fails. How new habits are formed. Habit formation happens through repetition, not motivation. Each time you repeat a behavior, neural connections grow stronger. This process is called neuroplasticity. The brain physically rewires itself based on what you repeatedly do. Small actions repeated daily create powerful habits. How long does it take to form a habit? There's a common myth that habits take 21 days. Psychology research shows the truth. Habits can take 21 to 66 days, depending on complexity. Consistency matters more than speed. Missing one day doesn't break a habit. Quitting does. How to build good habits, simple psychology-based steps. Here are effective ways to build habits. Start very small. Attach new habits to existing ones. Make the habit easy, not perfect. Reward yourself immediately. Focus on identity, not just behavior. Example: instead of saying, "I want to exercise," say, "I am someone who takes care of my body." How to break bad habits. You don't break habits, you replace them. Steps to break a bad habit. Identify the cue. Change the routine. Keep the reward. Your brain still wants the reward, just give it a healthier routine. The power of environment in habit formation. Your environment shapes your habits more than willpower. Examples: keep junk food out of sight. Keep books where you can see them. Design your space to support good habits. Make good habits easy. Make bad habits hard. You are not weak. You are not lazy. You are simply running habits your brain has learned. Change the system, not just the behavior. When you understand habit formation, you gain the power to reshape your daily actions and ultimately your life. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology helps you build a better mind, one habit at a time.